All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to wrap it up. It's a sad day. A sad day. We're wrapping things up here at the apartment in General Luna. In case you haven't been following, you got to follow to understand what's going on. Our landlord here has decided to sublease all this out through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in their house. To a new, not owner, somebody just taking it over, and they want to turn all this into an Airbnb, and if that don't work, they're going to turn it into rentals. And I know people say, well, why don't you talk to the new owners and stay here? And trust me, they're going to jack the price up. It's all about making money. But anyways, we are wrapping everything up here. Gotta get out of here. It was a good little place we had. Right, Puxy?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, Lit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's my money. It was a good little place, you know. We'd get over here, hang out for a week or two, go into town, be here at General Luna, go eat. Now, we're not going to not come back over to General Luna, of course, because we like being over here. You know, spending time over here. But, gotta wrap it up. Wrap it up. All right, that's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. We are out of here. All this here was here. Rice cooker, coffee maker, which took a dump, and we bought our own for the dishes, all this air conditioning and the shelving and that, and there's a chair. That was all here. So it is time to say goodnight to our little bungalow over here. I mean, even the refrigerator was here. That's not ours. The table's not ours. These aren't ours. I mean, it did come with a few things. That was nice. And slide the door one last time. Hearing that door shut. And I didn't go see the trike. We have our friend Rolly over here, who has a trike, and he's loading everything up for us. I got to return this. This is the internet. That's what's nice about this internet company here. You don't need to sign a contract with them month to month. So if you decide, hey, I'm leaving, I'm out, or something happens and you've got to go, you don't have a contract. You're not stuck with the internet company. So I got to get it back, but here it is. Here's the one unit. This is the landlord's house. That is also going to be part of the agreement. There was our other neighbor here. Nice girl, super nice girl. Had her own little dog that we got to know, Joey. But it was a nice little place. 10,000 pesos. You can't beat that. Yes, there are our neighbors. They were quiet. Yeah, they had roosters, whatever. They had dogs, whatever. But here's another unit. This is all going out on Airbnb. 1, 2, 3 units here. I know the person in this unit right here. He has to move out too. Here's our trike. Look at all our stuff on there. Rolly knows how to pack. he knows how to pack. Miguel will be following. I don't think anything will fly out of there. Hey, he's got it. He's got it loaded. He's got it loaded. But right there, Siargao Hana Homestay is what new owner or the person taking it over is calling it. So, yeah, we are out of here. Here it comes. Overweight? There's no such thing as overweight. No such thing as overweight in the Philippines. Philly in the Philippines reporting live from Siargao Island with typhoon. What's a typhoon? Look, huh? Opong. Opong. We are riding out typhoon Opong. Siargao Island here, reporting live. It is what? We are in a category 1. Category 1.
Yeah.
Is that thing dirty? Hang on. Let me see. I'm going to clear this A little foggy there. There we go. That's a little bit better. Let's see. This morning the girls went to school. Everybody went to school, and then they came home. And then after they came home, there was a sign that said on on the web page, "School's been canceled." Oh, I didn't notice. It's sort of like here when Sorelco, all right, the electric company, we get a brownout, right? And they put up a post on their webpage. Now, we had a brownout from this time to this time. Oh, really? I didn't notice. Anyways, it's been pretty windy. Let me go outside and show you here. I am using the Rode wireless microphone too with the DJI action camera. What's nice about the Rode is you put the dead cat on it, and it should muffle all the wind noise. I can go out into the rain, and I can't, not with the setup, because the Rode is plugged into the side of the action camera, so that exposes the one port. But if I just had the camera, I could go out. We've had quite a bit of rain throughout the day. Sometimes it comes down pretty hard, and then it just kind of stops. Wind, we've had some pretty good gusts of wind, and then the wind will stop. It just comes in waves. We haven't had any flooding here. This is not the big typhoon that rolled through northern Philippines. That was a massive typhoon, like a Category 5 super typhoon. Are you cold, Tintin? No, Tintin's not cold. The one that rolled through the north was a massive typhoon. If that had hit this island, I wouldn't be standing here right now talking. But yeah. And what'd they say, like 10 died? 10 people died? Oh, somebody put the laundry out. Well, that didn't work out for them. Yeah. But, hey, it's part of living here, right? You get earthquakes, typhoons. What else? Earthquakes and typhoons, volcanoes. We have it all here. You guys see, well, you can see the trees out there kind of swirling around. And it's funny because everybody, I just put my shirt on to do this video. I don't wear a shirt, but everybody here is like, except for Tintin, he's like, nah, I'm good. Everybody's in wearing shirts, and they're acting like they're cold, and it's like 20 below with a wind chill of minus 50 below. I love this weather. I don't mind it at all. All right, what are we having for dinner tonight? What do we got here? Oh, that's a nice looking pork chop.
You have pork chop.
Pork chop. What do you?
That's for bachoy.
That's for Bachoy and Rocky.
Chicken and Rocky.
And what are you having over here? What do we got? Oh, there he is. Hi, Goy.
This is.
How's it going, Goy? Oh, what do we got here? Fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
Danggit.
A dunget
Yeah.
fish with, what do you got in there? Peppers, onion?
Oh yeah, peppers,
garlic?
onion, garlic, and chili, and that's it. Oh, soy sauce, vinegar, and a little bit of oil.
And what do we have here?
That is a root crop sleeves.
Root crop sleeves.
Yes, we are going to boil that one because my mom needs to drink it.
Why?
She was dizzy.
Oh,
So.
oh, to help her. And Elise, what do you have to say?
Hello.
Hello? You have anything to say hello?
Hello.
Hello. All right. Goy,
What did you have to
what do
say?
you have to say?
How are you?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yes or no? Yes or no only.
Oh, yes or no only?
Yeah.
Are,
Yeah.
are you a
Yeah.
good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like your sister? Goy feuds with his sister. Right, Goy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you go to school?
Yeah.
What grade are you in? Oh, that's yes or no. What else? What else?
Did you cook today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
You had brownout in your drawers at school? Yeah. Look at old Pooksy. He's cold. Look at Pooksy. He's cold. He's got a blanket. He's got long sleeve shirts on. But you know what? Here's the thing about Pooksy. Pooksy went to work today. Yeah, he did.
No typhoon for me.
Yeah. Rain, shine, or snow, Miguel will go to work. He's like the mailman. Wow, what do we got going on out here?
I'm cooking jackfruits.
Cooking jackfruits. Jackfruits.
That is jackfruits.
That is
Yeah,
jackfruit.
when jackfruit thorns become bed up fruits, it's become yellow.
Right.
That is young. You can cook it, you can eat it, and make a supper. So I'm cooking this one with coconut juice.
Coconut juice. That's what's
Yeah.
nice here. You know, you're in the province. Even though the wind is blowing, you'd still make a fire. Now get this. All right, check this out. You know, I have, and Luda's finally using it because I told her, hey, listen, you need to start using this thing. You know, we got this 4-burner gas stove here. I could put a turkey in that oven. We've got 2 tanks here filled to the brim. You know, she goes out there and she cooks, and then she, you see her jumping. You see her jumping like a jackrabbit. Why? Why you jump like a jackrabbit? Oil.
Oil, yeah.
Oil.
Yeah, you see that.
Like she got a
is here,
there.
born here, born
Oh,
here.
sorry. There.
There's
She
too
got
much
burn on
on
her
my
arms.
face.
Now what do we got here?
This one here is chicken bones.
Chicken bone with
Yeah.
onion.
Yeah, with onion because I'm gonna cook this one to get the flavor. So, you know, when you cook jackfruits, I don't put garlic because it's cooked by, what's that called? It's cooked by the coconut juice.
Right.
It's just that way.
Ain't nothing smells better when you throw onion and garlic into a frying pan. It just smells so good.
Oh my gosh, I need to
What
use
happened?
it.
Oh, look, she's got to use a stool
Can't reach.
because she can't reach. Yeah. All right, now it's time for the jackfruit to go in. All that'll go in there. See, that's the thing. People just think, what, you eat jackfruit, right?
Yeah.
But they don't realize, like, Filipinos make dinner dishes out of it.
Oh yeah.
But this is a younger jackfruit,
Yeah.
right? But you could eat that. It just won't taste as a normal
it's young,
jackfruit.
You can't eat.
You can eat it.
All you need to do is just cook that and then cook in terms of, it depends what kind of cooking you like when it's young. They have adobo, they have like coconut juice. However, if it goes like yellow, that's how you can eat because that's how you taste the sweetness on this one.
So when you eat a jackfruit, like jackfruit, what color is the jackfruit?
Yellow.
Yellow. And it is? I thought it was green.
No, it's green outside but yellow inside.
Oh. So, well, they know the difference between a young...
You know what the difference between when you the jackfruits, it's young and it's ready to eat, because outside they have like the jackfruit normally will going to crack.
Crack.
Yeah, when you go like it's ready to eat, it's
Then
like
it's
you
ready
put
to
like
eat.
it's ready to eat.
Okay.
That's what I know.
That's what she knows. But they'll, this will be the meal.
Yeah.
Jackfruit with the chicken bones,
Yeah, this
all right, rice and fish.
yeah, that's one of my favorites.
And oh, look out! And that'll feed how many? That'll feed all of us.
Yeah.
All of us. When I mean all of us, how many is it? 9, 10, 9, something like that.
9 or 21 depends. 'Cause
Well.
I'm gonna give this to my neighbor too.
Oh, okay.
They're the one who get this one.
Ah,
I'm just
okay.
the one who cook it.
You're cooking it. All right, so this will feed everyone. And of course, rice, because rice is life. And I will be having pork chops and...
And French fries, because French fries is life.
What happened, Junior? Are you injured? Junior's another one. It's either yes or no questions. Junior, did you get hurt?
Yeah.
Yes.
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 There's no hurt.
Are you okay, Junior?
Yes.
What happened?
He's boxing.
Spider-Man.
He's boxing.
Okay. Hi, Ling. Give the look, Ling. Give the look. No, he ain't hurt. Jinger's not hurt. He's just playing. All right, Bing, Bing, what are you doing?
Bachoy's dinner.
Bachoy's dinner. And what is Bachoy having for dinner?
Chicken.
And what else?
Rice.
Chicken and rice. Bing Bing's pulling apart the chicken for the Bachoy and Rocky's meal. Anything else you got to say, Bing?
Nothing.
You want to sing a song? All right. What do we got here? What are you putting in?
This is the second juice of coconut.
It's coconut juice.
The coconut, it is my mom teach me is you're gonna put like they have first and then the second. The first one it should be the last one to put in
This is
to
the
make it
last?
thicker.
This is the last thing you
So
put
this-
in?
Yeah, this is the second one. And then the last one I'm gonna put is the first one who I cleaned it up earlier.
Okay, all right.
So we're gonna put this one here. There you go. And then we're gonna wait for that to boil. We're gonna put the other one so it makes thicker.
All right, there it is. All right, the final ingredient is...
Still the same.
It's-
It's coconut juice.
Oh,
The
okay.
first one. You need to put this one here. So it's gonna make, oh my gulay.
Windage.
Oh,
Windage. Look at that, windage. All right, so that is the final ingredient, which is coconut.
yeah. To make it like thicker and it's like more, cause once you put the origin, like the first one, the texture of the juice on like jackfruits is make a little bit thicker than the second.
And the name of this meal, this delicious Filipino meal with coconut juice, jackfruit. What else is in it?
Chicken bones.
Chicken bones.
And that's it.
And that's
it's
it?
Coconut juice, jackfruits, and chicken bones, onion, and then salt.
And it's called what?
Ginataang nangka.
Dinentaang angka. Dinitagang dang
Ginataang
dinakaan
nangka.
nangka.
Oh.
Let me know if you ever heard of this dish, if you've ever cooked this dish in the Philippines. That's it, guys. I'm going to wrap this one up from the Windy 215 homestead. That's the thing. Everybody helps here. Everybody helps from preparing, getting things ready, let's cooking, and then, of course, everybody eats. And then, of course, you got to clean up, right? These dishes will not clean up themselves. The girls are clean. I'm going to stand out here in the wind. Let's see how good this dead cat mic works on the Rode wireless microphone too, if it blocks out the winds. But everybody helps around here. Usually, one of the girls will start the fire. Bing, bing, ling, ling, Nini. They'll start the fire. They'll get it going. They'll even put the rice on. They'll get the rice going, rice cooked. But when it comes to like meals, Lut is the one that 99% of the time cooks the meals when we're here. But everybody helps, and the wind is picking up. Hopefully, let me walk out here. Let me show you the skyline. There is no rain, like a tiny little spritz. But look at the skyline. Look at that. It is dark. It's been like this all day. Now you can see the trees blowing. Kind of blowing, right? We're in between a gust of wind. But anyways, guys, there it is from the 215 homestead, riding out the typhoon. And with that, take it back to our main station, and we'll talk to you later.